All right, so check it out. You rented a Billy Goat 18-inch sod cutter. Hey guys, Josh here with Carl's Mower and Saw. And all you're going to see today is maybe my finger and my shadow, because I'm going to do this from a point of view on you've rented this sweet machine. Now you need to know how to use it. So let's start with a couple of the basics. This is a 4-cycle machine, so it's going to run on regular, preferably premium or ethanol-free fuel right there. There's a choke lever right here in the very front. So let's change this. This is a lot of movement right there. A choke lever. So I'll pull that out. As I move my way back, I want to point out one other thing that's kind of nice to know about is this little rod right there. That allows you to roll the unit. Instead of driving it to where you want to be, you're going to be able to roll it at a lot higher rate of speed than it's driving. So when it's pushed in, it's going to drive. When it's pulled out, it's going to be in a roll position. And then one other thing. Oh, my sprinklers are popping on. One other thing is I have a swivel rear wheel here, which is really nice for certain times. But man, if I'm trying to do a straight line with the sod cut, I need to lock that. So what I can do is I can lift this pin up and rotate it, and it drops down, and now this rear wheel is in a locked position. So I'm going to keep it in its current position, which is allowing it to pivot. Up on the dash here, we have our on-off, run, stop, and you'll see there's a lever on each side. On the right-hand side, kind of what most people would be their dominant side, the further I squeeze, the faster the ground speed is, forward. On the left-hand side, the further I squeeze, the faster I go in reverse. So if I get in a corner and I need a backup, no, you do not cut sod going backwards. This orange lever here, when I pull this in with my left hand, it is going to engage the cutter mechanism. Obviously, there's the cutter mechanism right down there. Setting the depth, or how much I want to take off, is done right here. There's going to be a sticker on the back of the unit. Let's turn it so you can read it with the screen. That says 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 1 inch, kind of working your way down. So this is 1/4, 1/2, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. Hey, when we're cutting sod, I want to point out that we're not rototilling. We're really looking just to take off that top layer of sod. And by taking too much, you really stress the snot out of these machines. So please, just take off the grass, really. That's the way it's designed to be. So you can pull this little clip off, and I can slide that pin where I want. So right now I have it set at 1 inch for this rental that's going out. And then I'll simply twist this down or pull this downward. And now that allows this to drop down the blade. And then I can lock it back in that position, and we're good to go. So let's get this back. Sorry, it's going to be a little shaky here while I do this. Here, we'll show the lawn getting, the new lawn at Carl's being irrigated. All right, let's fire it up. It is a single position throttle, so it's going to be fairly loud. Fire that up. It's on choke. I don't need to choke it because I just had it running. There we go. The Billy Goat 18-inch hydrostatic sod cutter. Again, forward if I'm squeezing on the right, reverse if I'm squeezing on the left, and this orange lever makes things oscillate. All right, thanks for checking in. Enjoy the rental of your Billy Goat hydrostatic sod cutter.
Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.